Right, last morning in Hakodate.
Yeah, we're heading out reasonably soon.
Yeah.
Checkout is at 10 AM and...
It's like 9:20, something like that.
Hey, what you got in your bag?
Hey, it's Bag Buddy.
Bag Buddy?
We found, yeah, so this is... To explain, Pocket Buddy was a little creature. We were going, what are all these little radish things hanging around? And I got you one when we were in Hachinohe. Pocket Buddy has been on many adventures with us, and I've sort of kept googling. There's ones for every area of Japan. I went with Bag Buddy here, that says Hakodate.
Hakodate!
Which is where we are. It's got a picture of Hokkaido, like a map of Hokkaido, which is the island we're on his belly, as well as a star, which I assume represents the Star Fortress.
Oh, of course!
So, we'll be adding more to the collection as we go to different areas. So you're going for pin badges.
My plan is to make a nice pin banner that's got a map of Japan on it, and then I can put all the pins in all the places we've been and go, we've travelled across.
Sounds
and then
good.
maybe we'll have all the mokekes, the Bag Buddies, all just hanging on. Yeah, it's going to be good, I think.
It's a big dream.
It is a big dream, but we're in Japan, dream big. So many of you may be asking, what is a kotatsu? Just looks like some sort of table with a blanket, which in many ways it is. So the way a kotatsu works is this table bit. It's not actually attached. So then you've got this blanket. You can see there's this little frame underneath. And we've got this special kotatsu heater. You can only really get them in Japan. You can't just take a regular old UK heater and whack it on a table, because that's not designed to run upside down. If you wanted to get a whole kotatsu table, that's going to cost you at least £300 plus £1 million in shipping. If I just get the little heater underneath, and then I can build my own kotatsu table. It's the dream.
A big dream.
It is a big dream. Little kitchen through there. This is the hallway. And the cafe.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou.
There's also, I just want to draw your attention to that pancake house over there.
The pancake
Look how thick those
house.
pancakes are. I think it's closed today, but
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Look at it. What have you got?
I've got Remiamu pancake.
Premium.
Yeah, premium pancake. So the deal is there are 3 time slots: 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock.
11 o'clock is when this place opens.
Yeah, and they make 20 in each batch. I'm not sure what the best way of eating this is.
We came in, we were given a little ticket with number 9.
Yeah.
You are 9 out of 20 morning pancakes.
It's incredibly fluffy.
And I've been waiting patiently for mine. I have apple tea and cream with cinnamon. So, oh, you've got syrup. Ah, you're living the life.
So, LHT.
Hey.
We are about to leave Hakodate.
We are, but before we go, we're going to go back to the ropeway to get the pin that I want.
Yeah.
We do have to climb a hill to get there.
Hi, so this?
That's okay. That's a nice view. The end of our Hakodate today. And then we're going to Sendai.
So, if you had to sum up Hakodate, how would you sum it up? Your Hakodate experience?
Utsukushi.
Beautiful. Lovely.
All the snow, all the food, the lovely guest house, the lovely cafe in the guest house. This has been one of my favourite places maybe.
And if you were to recommend people who are visiting Hakodate to do one thing, what would it be?
Oh, stay in the guest house.
Yeah, Motomachi. Right, let's get up this hill. Hanabanashi desu.
皆様こんにちは。今日も JR 北海道をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。函館線普通函館ライナー新函館北斗行きです。全席指定です。自由席はありません。座席の指定を受けたお客様の席に別のお客様がおかけの時は空席を利用できる特急券をお持ちの可能性がありますので、お客様同士でお確かめの上、座席の指定を受けたお客様が指定された席をご利用ください。空席を利用できる特急券をお持ちのお客様は普通車の空いている席をお降りください。座席の指定を受けたお客様がお見えになったら席をお立ちください。まもなく大中よ。2階にご用意しております。新幹線ホームには待合室、お手洗いはございませんので、探してご了承ください。
So we've got to
reserve tickets.
ideally reserve some tickets.
Ideally,
Okay. Transfer for Shinkansen. We're on the Shinkansen.
So,
to Shin Aomori.
Hey.
So we're crossing the ocean.
Yep.
So we've just gone and reserved our tickets.
Yep.
And you gave the ticket man a very nice compliment.
I said his tie likes him. He was wearing a tie with like lots of treble clefs on it, and I said, "Tai wa suki desu." I meant I like your tie, but it literally means the tie likes. Maybe the tie likes me. Maybe that's the implication.
Maybe.
But yeah, that's it's in the league of Do Tashimashite.
I've got something to tease you about now.
Yeah, so I liked what the tie likes. I can't control it. So we're in Hachinohe right now, which is sort of just a stop that we had to get off the train and buy more new seat reservations. So we've got an hour, 10 minutes in a strange town that we don't know anything about.
Yeah, it seems like just a little town. So we've got a bit of time to wander around, and we saw this vending machine, and I love the mascots on it.
Hungry tiger with the soft teeth.
And there's also a lot of things I've not seen before. We've seen the Craft Boss coffee. Had that one.
That's quite
I haven't
good.
seen it. Bistro Boss.
Bistro Boss, it looks like soup.
It does look like soup.
Actually, it looks like spaghetti. Consomme.
I've never seen a matcha latte, I don't think. Kyoto matcha latte
Oh.
in a vending machine. I've not seen Demitasse Grande
Oh.
or Ukko. Never come across that brand before. What are these?
Melon, grape.
There's a lot of
Kieran loves spots.
new drinks to consider. I'm
New
definitely
brands.
planning on getting a hot drink while we're here because it's quite
Yeah,
chilly.
it's genuinely colder here where there is no snow at all than it was
I think
in
it's because there's
Hakodate.
no sun here.
Yeah, that's
It's
probably it.
when the sun is out, it's lovely and warm, but as soon as the sun goes down in Japan,
Or certainly in Hakodate. I love these. Genuinely really good. He's doing his best.
it's so busy.
Yeah, welcome to Sendai. Yokoso.
Busy Sendai, yokoso.
Yeah.
Plan of action, don't really have one.
Oh.
Just gonna, it's about 5 o'clock, so it's getting a bit dark already, a bit chilly.
It's making me sleepy.
Yeah, I had a very small snooze on the train, as is my way.
Apparently, Sendai is very young because there are a lot of universities here. So hopefully that means there'll be interesting stuff about. Yeah, it's the thing that we were going to tomorrow, incidentally. So we only have one night in Sendai, and it was mostly to get to a place called Ginza Monsan, but that was fully booked months in advance.
Yeah.
But Sendai has just sort of stayed in the calendar because
It's
we
just
had
a
no
nice
reason to
place in
move it.
between here and Tokyo.
Yeah, but I know almost nothing about it.
So I think now we're just gonna find somewhere to hang out, maybe a cafe, get some food, have some dinner in a bit,
Yeah.
and then find a manga kisa.
Oh.
Our first manga kisa.
Yeah, first of many.
Nice. Yeah, hold on that for maybe 20 seconds.
20 seconds?
Well, I was going to put some text over it.
Okay.
To explain why we're looking at tower records.
Alright, I'll wait for it to get to 30 then.
Yeah.
I imagine we're going to take all the audio out as well. Although maybe we'll leave it in just as a little behind the scenes treat. If you're listening to this, you're welcome. Do itashimashite. What the Jesus is this?
It's not Gokko, I'll tell you that.
No. Gokko, if we haven't covered it, was the Hakodate mascot. Oh, it looks like they're filming it actually. Oh! Do you want to be on TV? Just walk behind them, Laura, walk behind them.
Wow, the Simpsons are screaming.
You're going to get that to
Yeah. Ta-da! These are so big. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. I love all the Eevees.
Yeah.
I love the ferret. Yadon! It's the Yadon
Oh, that is the one that
you got me. Aww. All the original ones. Look how many!
They are very nice.
So many. That's the one. I like the pixely cushions. They're really fun. What's with all these robot Pikachus I keep seeing?
Oh, I've got to get that for
Ah.
surely.
Big!
Giant robot Pikachu. Kerkhoff's new album.
And you've got the right
pretty
t-shirt
wild.
for it as
I do
well.
have the right t-shirt for it. It's like I came prepared. It's genuinely pretty cool.
That's kind of tempting.
Yeah, I wish I wasn't tempted, but holiday, mate. It's not real money. Yeah. But there is a giant vampire.
What?
That one there.
What? So big! Aww. You can win some raisins. You can play some taiko. Have some coffee. Needs to be documented.
Explain to me this mythical establishment.
I didn't think this would even exist. We found a vegan restaurant in Japan.
It's called Tea's Tantan. We are in Sendai, trendy town. We've got a black sesame thing. And I've got this bounty. Spicy mayonnaise meat meal. Soy meat, something like that. So yeah, very much looking forward to it. No.
So we're trying to find a place to sleep for the night. We found a manga kisa, a manga cafe. There happens to be across here a sort of village, like a little hotel. And I saw this robot and I was going to see if it had anything in English, but it's tracking my movement.
I don't think it wants you to touch it. It feels like it's daring you to.
I just want you to tell me if there's any... No, I'm done. I'm out.
It's going to kill you, it's going to kill you. This sound, we haven't added to the music. That is... It's a very weird... Can you imagine working here?
I think you wouldn't realise that you were working here. I think you'd wake up one day and realise you hadn't been home for 10 years.
Yeah. So, very like that. Oh, we're trapped. Good.
Look at this game!
Train simulator with tits.
But also, you get the outfit.
Oh, do you win it?
No, you get to wear it while you play.
Oh, well, that's obvious.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, I thought you would.
Oh.
See if we can find a small one.
screen. And